Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to use the calculator to determine the solutions. You want to use mode 5 because it says equations. And you're going to choose option 3 because option 3 is your quadratic option. That's the one with the x squared. So you want to go ahead and get you a calculator out and choose mode 5, option 3. And we're going to work on these. Yesterday we worked with equations in standard form. This will help you from having to use the calculator instead of using the quadratic formula or factoring. The calculator is going to ask you to put the values in of A, B, and C. Be sure you press equals after each number and continue pressing equals until it gives you both of your solutions. So, if your first equation is y equals 3x squared plus 5x plus 1, I know that I have A is going to be equal to 3 because it's in front of the x squared term. B is going to be equal to 5. And C is going to be equal to 1. So when the calculator asks me what is A equal, right below the A, you're going to press 3 and then press equals. For B, you're going to press 5 and then press equals. For C, you're going to press 1 and then press equals. And then press equals again. And it tells you that x1 is negative 0.232. And it has a lot more decimals than that, but that's enough. Press equals again, and it gives you your other solution is negative 1.434. It's got more decimals than that, but that's plenty. You should be able to get your answer from that. Second example. Same thing. This equation's in standard form. Just be careful and look for the negatives. In this case, A is equal to 7 because it's in front of the x squared term. B is going to be equal to negative 4 because of the minus sign in front of it. And C is going to be equal to 5. So again, you want to go to mode 5-3 and select A is equal to 7 and press equals. B is equal to negative 4 and press equals. And C equals 5. Press equals and it tells you your solution. This one is x1 equals 2 over 7 plus 0.795i. That tells me my solutions are imaginary, so you know it won't cross the x-axis. Hit equals again, and you get x2 equals 2 over 7 minus 0.795i. And so it gives you both of your solutions. Here's another example. In this case, I know my A is 9. And I know C is negative 25 because it doesn't have an X. So the problem is that I don't have a B term. If you don't have a B term, your value for B is 0. So you're going to say A is equal to 9, press equals. B is equal to 0, press equals. And C equals negative 25. Press equals again, and it's going to tell you that x1 is 5/3. And press equals again, and it's going to tell you x2 is negative 5/3. So since these are not imaginary, you know you have x-intercepts. And that's all it is to using the calculator. I want you to work in groups today and have one person tell another person in the group what numbers to put in mode 5-3, and I want the third person in the group to graph them on GeoGebra and make sure that your solutions match up with what you're finding in the calculator. So good luck, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.